Sony FE 24-70mm f/2.8 GM overview. The standard zoom refined. A fast, standard zoom favored for its versatility, the Sony FE 24-70mm f/2.8 GM is a wide-angle to short telephoto lens featuring advanced G-Master optics, a robust physical design, and a bright f/2.8 constant maximum aperture. A go-to lens for a variety of shooting situations, the 24-70mm f/2.8 is a perfect choice for anything from landscape to sports to portraiture subjects. Uncompromising optical design. As part of Sony's esteemed G-Master series, this lens is designed to achieve notably high resolution and sharpness through the correction of a wide variety of spherical and chromatic aberrations. Of the three aspherical elements incorporated in the lens design, one is an SAW element with superior surface precision to effectively reduce astigmatism, field curvature, coma, and other monochromatic aberrations from imagery. One extra low dispersion element and one super ed element are featured in the lens design and help to control chromatic aberrations and reduce color fringing for increased clarity and color fidelity. Bright constant f/2.8 maximum aperture maintains consistent performance from wide angle to telephoto focal length positions and also contributes to greater selective focus control. A nano R coating has been applied to reduce surface reflections, flare, and ghosting for increased contrast and color rendering in strong lighting conditions. Rounded 9-blade diaphragm contributes to a pleasing bokeh quality when employing selective focus techniques. Fast focusing and reliable performance. Direct drive supersonic wave AF motor and internal focus mechanism provide quick, quiet, and precise autofocus performance and also contribute to more natural, intuitive manual focus control. A focus hold button and AF/MF switch are present on the lens barrel for intuitive tactile control and rapid access to select settings. A dust and moisture sealed design better permits working in inclement conditions and rubberized control rings benefit handling in colder temperatures. Pricing and availability. The new FE 24-70mm f2.8 GM2 will be available in June for approximately $2,300 and 3,000 Canadian dollars and will be sold at a variety of Sony's authorized dealers throughout North America. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.